Morning is the best time to wish your loved one by special good morning love messages to make her day more happy, enjoyable and worthwhile. If your loved one gets a sweet message of love from you at the morning, probably it's enough to make her day and bring a pure smile on face. Here you will find sweet and romantic good morning love messages which are too cute to wish your beloved person to start the day. Let's pick the best good morning message and send it to your desired one. Good morning, my love. A beautiful day is waiting outside just for you. Open your eyes and experience the excellence of nature around you. Wake up and welcome yet another wonderful morning in your life. I know today you'll be shining like a star just like any other day. Good morning, my love. I may not be able to whisper sweet nothings into your ear at night, but I can type them to you in the morning. I love you. Good morning, sweetheart. Here's wishing you a wonderful day filled with joy, fun and every ounce of happiness. I love you so much. Wake up with a smile so that I can be sure that today is going to be a bright and beautiful day for me. I have been missing you all night long. Good morning. I really hope you had a good sleep. Please wake up now because my mornings are incomplete without you. Good morning, my love. Today I woke up with the thought of you in my mind. Now I am so badly missing you because I don't want to enjoy this beautiful morning without you. Wake up. This wake up text is for letting you know that you are the first thought on my mind in every morning. I love you so much. Good morning. If you are still in bed, just know that I'm having a bad morning here without you. Please get up as soon as possible. Good morning. I don't dream of going to heaven anymore, because I have you in my life. Thank you for making my life a piece of heaven on earth. Good morning, my love. Every morning for me is an opportunity to love you, care for you and make you feel special all day long. Good morning, my love. I hope you have slept like a queen last night. Now please wake up like star and rule my world for one more day. Good morning. Good morning, baby. I just wanted you to know how much I care for you. You're always in my thoughts. Have an amazing day. I love how you bring the best of me whenever I am with you. Thank you for making my life a lot easier, love. Good morning, sunshine. Welcome to a new day filled with laughter and lots of chances. I hope you will get what you desire for. Have a good day ahead. Every time I think of you, half my worries are gone. You make everything around you so positive and energetic. I love you so much. Good morning. Your smile brightens my day. Always wake up with a pretty smile on your face because I just want to see you smiling. Good morning. The morning breeze is so gentle and sweet today that it reminds me of you. I wish I was there with you this morning. Good morning to you, my love. My days have become brighter and my mornings sweeter since you have come into my life. Thank you for loving me. I love you too. Good morning. Being in love with a strong and handsome man like you makes every morning worth longing for. Every second spent with you is a second well spent. Good morning, heartbeat. Good morning to the one that holds a very special place in my heart. I'm waiting for you to call me because I love hearing your voice in the morning. The sun is up but my time is on standstill because you are not awake. Please wake up, darling, so I can start my day. Good morning. I feel blessed because every morning of my life starts with you. I want nothing in life without you. Good morning, my sweetheart. If you feel the morning breeze around you, just know that there's love in the air which you and I can both feel at the same time. Wake up and give me a text. Good morning. Sending you good morning text in the morning is in my routine, but I want to make it a habit in life. Good morning, my love. Waking up every morning knowing that you are mine, light up my world brighter than the sun could ever be. Good morning to the love of my life. May the morning breeze refresh your mind and cleanse your exhausted soul so you can fill them once again with new hope, dreams and desires. Good morning, my love. May this morning give you a brand new beginning of your journey and add a new meaning to your life. May you find success today. Good morning, my love. On this beautiful morning, I wish that you have a marvelous day full of love, hugs and kisses. Don't worry, you're going to have them all from me. Good morning.